In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram post. Very easy, guys, very simple, just one click. Let's launch the Instagram app and let's try to create a brand new post. Let's click on the plus sign at the lower center of the screen. Let's select a piece of content we want to upload. Let's put up this car. Now you can click next. You can include some shades, some vintage outlook, right? Looks cool. Then you want to click next. You want to add your captions. Ferrari, Testa Rossa. You can tag Ferrari actually. Right over here. Boom. You click OK. Then you want to go down. And this is where the magic happens. You want to include the music. Well, this is the option for the music. You want to click add music. This is the current trending songs. You might not find anything you like. All you gotta do is to swipe on the left, and this is where you're gonna find everything broken down into genre: weekend, birthday, R&B, and soul, hip hop. If you still cannot find anything you like, you go all the way up on the top where is the search bar, and you search your artist or you search the name of the song you're looking for. When you find the song, all you gotta do is to click add, and there you have it. All you gotta do is to share the post and you're good to go. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.